Connection, the different ways the pipe connects. The first way would be welding. And if we have steel pipe, there's two forms. We have pipe, the bigger diameters, they simply butt together and you weld them. And if they're a big enough pipe, they weld them inside and out. If they can get inside the pipe, they'll go in and weld them on the inside as well as the outside to give them more strength. Also, depending on the thickness of the pipe, whether or not they'll do that, whether they'll weld them inside and out or just the outside. Then they also make steel with a bell on it, so that the pipe, the bell will be an inch and a half deep or so. So the end of the pipe is just slightly swedged open. You got a pipe, and then at the end it just has a little flare on it. And so you can insert one pipe into the next, and then it's pretty easy to, if you're turning the line a little bit, going around a curve, you can get a little deflection in each joint and weld it up that way. Or if you have a little of this going in the ditch, a little up and down action, you can weld it right in the ditch with that flex in it if it's big pipe, and it kind of helps fit the pipe together. Now once that pipe has been welded, then you need to put a protective wrap around the weld, because you don't want to just let the mineralization of the soil attack the bare metal, well, where the weld is. So there again they put a protective wrap. Usually they put tar on it, and then we'll wrap it with a craft wrap of some variety similar to whatever the pipe has on it. Maybe felt wrap and then craft wrap. Could be done that way. But there has to be some kind of protection put on that pipe. There's some other epoxy bonds that can be used and such. Also, welding can be done on an aluminum pipe to put joints together. That's kind of unusual to see, because generally the aluminum pipes are given length, but you can weld aluminum, and you can also weld plastic. And that's done in some areas, especially where you have lots of angles that you're trying to work with. It might be an odd angles. Welding might be a choice. Strength-wise, they don't do that around this part of the country. So I'm not sure what the ramifications are. I've certainly seen lots of advertisement about PVC welders, and they're available. You basically heat the plastic up to a point where it turns liquid on both pieces, and it'll just literally fuse together, melt together. It's the concept behind it.